Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden, cook healthy meals, and other favorites. And today I'm doing a video on eat what you grow and grow what you eat. Keep watching and I will show you how I prepare cabbage, fresh squash, and be sure you watch all the way to the end. Good morning. I'm out in my garden. There's a little bit of an overcast this morning, and I came out to see what is ready to be picked. And look at this beautiful coral zena. It's beautiful. Nice little breeze. That need to be picked, so I am out picking and seeing what I'm going to make for dinner today. But picking some peppers, nice little strawberry, that's a tomato. I'm going to snack on that while I'm out here cleaning up a little bit. Nice and tasty, but I'm mainly out here so that I can pick this purple cabbage so I can make room for something else. So pick that out, snap that on cabbage. That out of the ground. And I will put this in my compost pile. I'm just going to leave that there for now, but I will eventually add it to my compost pile. And I come out daily to harvest things, so you don't always get to see it in my video. But today I'm just showing, here are some jalapeno peppers. I'm gonna pick. So those are two nice sized peppers. Spinach is growing. Got a nice little bloom on my butternut squash. I'm going to go ahead and pick this squash. It's a beautiful color. Just add that to my little basket. And then here's two smaller ones, but I'm going to go ahead and pick those as well. And that's enough to make a little, I love squash, so I'm gonna make something nice with that too. To pick some of this Swiss chard. What's Swiss chard? Swiss chard is so easy to grow. of that squash. So this is what I have for now. Let's see. Yep, I think that's good. And my tomatoes are growing nicely. I wanted to share an update, a quick little update on the tomatoes. Looking really good. So pretty much every plant has tomatoes. I'm super excited. There's a variety, different variety. I'm loving it. So excited. Some right there, there, there. And there's blooms. There's some right there. There's blooms all in here. Blooms there. All in there. Tomatoes. You find lots of new blooms. This wasn't here yesterday, so it's always nice to see blooms in the garden. Oh, here's a little cherry pepper that I will go ahead and pick. There's a couple of beans. That was left from my first harvest. I might have to go on the other side of the fence to get these. Here's some more. So, not too bad, actually really good. So I did not have to go to the grocery store. I have fresh produce, I have cabbage, Swiss chard, and there's plenty of Swiss chard back there, as you can see. And some crookneck squash, some beans. Thank you for coming along and watching me harvest this morning. I cut back yesterday a whole bunch of these chamomile flowers, and this is what I'm talking about. The more you cut them back, the more there are. So it's like I can't even keep up with it. So I will be able to gift homemade chamomile flower tea, give those away as gifts. So I'll harvest some more of that. I'm noticing there is a nice little cucumber back there. Okay, so this cucumber plant I planted from seed, and I am getting ready to harvest my first cucumber. Exciting. Cucumbers are one of my favorite things to grow. Let's go ahead and pick that bad boy. All right. As you can see, I have a fence here, and that just keeps my rock waller from coming and just sitting on my plant if it's shaded. This is my first cucumber for 2021. How exciting. All right, so this is my first pickling cucumber, and I am going to pick it. Not bad at all. So my first two cucumbers, one is a regular Japanese cucumber, and the other is a pickling cucumber. All right, how exciting. I will add it to my basket. I am going to take this. I'm thankful for my harvest today. And I think I saw another cucumber. It's another nice little cucumber. a little more. Check the beans. Just saw a ladybug. But anyways, yeah, it's so nice to come out. And I'm gonna pick some of this. This is a giant green Swiss chard. It's so nice to be able to come out and pick in your own garden, and it's free. And there's no pesticides. Everything is organic, so you know what you're getting. Picking my favorite snack. I love to eat these when I'm in the garden. Spicy, but it's so good. As always, it's always awesome to spend time with you in my garden and in my kitchen. Thank you so much for harvesting and cooking with me. And of course, I always have a plate for you. Stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I will see you in my next video.